ma'am and sir, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher RC, and today's vlog we're going to unbox my new ring light with tripod and two phone holders. Just arrived today. Papakita ko po sa inyo. My name ko pa, Arceline Azarcon. Okay. So this is my first time setting up a ring light with tripod. So help me set up this tripod. Okay, let's get started.
And what we are going to have is a cutter. So let's start.
So bubuksan muna natin. By the way, in-order ko po ito sa Lazada and I will put in my description box para ma-search nyo po kung gusto nyong mag-order ng ring light. So, ito na. Safe na safe po talaga kasi may ganito pa. Bubble, anong tawag dito. And ito po yung tripod. Phone holder. Gupi-gupi po siya. Another phone holder and pwede din siya sa kapag meron kang motor. One set po ito. And ingatan po natin pagkakas. So, andito na yung ring light. Ring fill light. So, ito na siya. 26 inches. So, hindi po to siya magkaiba. Isang set po ito at nagkakahalaga lamang ng 600. Hindi ko natandaan yung specific, but when it adds with the shipping fee, kasi malayo po ako, dito po ako sa Mindanao, specifically sa Surigao del Sur. So, the total for this device, ring light, with the shipping fee is 967. So, affordable lamang po siya. And this is my gift for myself after I reach 1,700 subscribers. So, let's start. So, start first is our, we will set up the tripod. So, naka-box. And then, tada, naka-cellophane pa talaga. So, bubuksan natin. Then, may phone holder pa rin. So, ito na siya, ang tripod. So, madali lang itong set up. Then, if gusto nyo lang ganyan katangkad, so, you need to lock para po maging. And then, kung gusto nyo pang i-adjust, meron pa nito, then just lock, open, adjust, lock, open. So, ganito po kataas. So, matangkad po siya. But, I'm preferred since we're going to set up this one. So, gusto ko lang po na okay, ganito na lang muna. Just open. Madali lang po itong tripod. And then, dito nyo po ilalagay yung ring light. So, we will try to set up. So, ilagay natin siya dito. Ganyan po siya katangkad. So, dito banda. Then, what's next is our ring light. So, bubuksan natin ang ring light. And, super safe talaga. Oh, naka-bubbles pa. Then, after that, Kunin natin. May ganito pa, nakalagay din sa plastic bag. And then, tadan! Nandito na yung ring light. Okay. So, what's next is that dito, dapat hold na siya para not movable. Okay. Then, dito, nyo ilalagay yung lock para malagyan ng ring light. So, bubuksan ko to. As you can see, may butas dito. So, doon nyo ipapatong sa itaas. Ito siya. Then, napapansin nyo may lock dito sa baba. So, just move that one. And then, ilagay nyo to. Okay. Then, ito, lock natin. Then, what's next? Ilagay natin tong ring light. As you can see, sa ilalim is may ganito. And, dito, yung ilalagay. So, ikot-ikot nyo lang. And, this is patience is a virtue talaga nito. Okay. After that, ito ang phone holder. So, pwede nyo siyang ganyan kasi movable to. So, huwag kayong mag-alala kapag may So, first thing is ituwid muna natin. Then, ilagay nyo sa butas inside sa ring light. Then, ikot-ikot. And then, curve natin. So, movable po siya. Pwede siyang horizontal. Pwede ding vertical. So, I prefer to horizontal. And then, may another package pa siya. Kung dalawa yung phone nyo, then pwede nyo siyang magamit. So, what's next? So, gupugupi yung box. Pero tingnan natin ang laman. Okay. Meron ganito. At saka, may ganito. So, ito, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag nito. Ilalagay nyo po sa, just open first, sa tripod stand. Okay. So, may lock. Dito nyo ilalagay ito. So, sa stand niya. Then, we will try to ikot-ikot hanggang sa malak siya para hindi na siya movable. So, may adjustment dito. First, second, third. So, ilagay natin sa third para malak. So, i-continue lang natin. Tataas natin. Hanggang sa malak siya. Okay. Lock na po. So, hindi na siya movable. Then, ito yung another phone holder. So, dito nyo ilalagay yung phone. So, dyan, kapag may another phone pa kayo. So, ilagay natin. So, you can see, mayroon ditong another plastic bolt. Anong tawag nito? So, just remove first para mailagay natin or may pasok natin sa circle. So, and then you need to lock para hindi na siya movable. Okay? So, ganito lamang po ang pag-set up ng ring light with tripod, and then 2 phone holders, 1 and 2. So we will try now if iilaw ba siya. If wala bang, totally wala po siyang damage. Pero ang i-make sure po natin kung iilaw. And may remote po dito. So ito po yung remote on. Okay. Ito po ay ilalagay po ito sa if you have a charger from your phone or from your laptop. So meron pong akin sa charger. So ilalagay po yan para iilaw po ito. So start na po natin. Titingnan. Hindi po siya milaw, but we will use this remote. This is an on-off. So let's on. Okay. So as you can see, may ilaw na po. And then dito is subtract, meaning magdidepende po sa ilaw kung gusto nyo hindi masyadong mailaw, or pag ito namang plus sign, kung gusto nyong mas mailaw pa. And then, reverse, ito po ay papalit-palit ng kulay. So, let's try to click the reverse. Okay, yellow, white, that is the solid white, the first one. So, light yellow, dark yellow, and then super white. And then if you want to make it mas ilaw pa talaga, so you need to click the plus sign. So let's try. 1. Okay. So since wala po akong ibang cellphone, so dapat dito yan ilalagay para maganda na siya. But in fairness, thank you sa Lazada kasi maganda po siya ang ring light and setup. May package pa na 2 phone holders. Okay, so ito na po siya. Effective po ba? Diba? May light na ako. So, may pampaganda na ako kapag nagba-vlog po ako. Okay, so that's it for today. And I'll rate this product. I'll go to my email and rate this product as 5 star. Though, delayed po siya dumating kasi based po sa yung order ko po dapat dumating siya June 23, pero anong day na po ngayon, I think June 26, so delay po siya ng 3 days, but basically the product is good and secure na secure. Thanks to the Ninja Van sa pag-deliver po from Manila to Surigao del Sur. And thank you din, Lazada. Again, if you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and then hit the notification bell in order for you to get notified. So, bili na kayo ng murang ring light. That's it for today. And this is Teacher RC na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan. If you have a dream, reach it, don't wait. God bless.